appelé cette génération les Movie Brats. Ils s'appellent Brian De Palma, George Lucas, Martin Scorsese, Steven Spielberg ou Paul Schrader. Paul Schrader est le scénariste de Taxi Driver ou Raging Bull et le réalisateur de Blue Collar ou American Gigolo. Il habite New York et il reçoit dans son bureau à Times Square. Dans le bureau de Paul Schrader, des signes d'une cinéphilie plutôt pointue. Des cahiers du cinéma, des affiches de Bresson et des photos dédicacées. Rivette, Demy, Chabrol, Truffaut.
We were the first generation of filmmakers that came out of film studies and film school. And therefore we had an intellectual basis. The generation before us, people like Arthur Penn and John Frankenheimer, came out of live television. The generation before that came out of theater. We were actually coming out of film school, so therefore we were by nature intellectual and interested in film history. And so that was one force that influenced us. The other force was the social upheaval that was going on. So of course we gravitated to the Nouvelle Vague because we were intellectuals and we were interested in a revolution. You say you want a revolution, well, we sure did.
Du point de vue stratégique, il faut mépriser tous les ennemis et du point de vue tactique, en tenir pleinement compte.
I was a big proponent of H.G. Wells, and I wrote about it, and I even made my student film was based on Godard. Unfortunately, it's been lost. But I did my student film at UCLA was a Godardian film, which I and a fellow from Paris, Jean-Marie, we made this film together. And it was with the little red book and everything. It was all Godard. He was at UCLA when I was there. It really was like waiting for Godot. Waiting for Godard. That was everybody was saying. There was the headline in this UCLA paper, waiting for Godard. Everybody was waiting for Godard, and in fact, Godot actually did show up, and he was as kind of cryptic and enigmatic as he always has been. But it was that sort of trip was sort of the high point of his fame and his influence.